Sigurado ka?
Maybe, sir, because that is
Ano
one of
maybe?
the- I believe, sir, kasama na nai-incorporate.
No, I believe. I ask you, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sigurado ka? Sigurado ka?
If I
Hindi,
may allow,
tinatanong
sir.
kita, are you sure of that?
Ng sketch nung tao na allegedly pumatay. Pero ang layo-layo naman sa muka nung former councilor ng Los Baños.
Tingnan mo yung profile nung nilabasan nyo ng warrant of arrest. Oh, Colonel Garduque, you're lying.
He was with us when we filed the case, sir. The son of Honorable Mayor Perez.
Wala akong pakialam kung nandun siya. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, naniwala ba sila na hindi the councilor is the one who killed Mayor Perez? And you said, yes.